Hi Karishma, so this is a screen recording to show you how to edit Google Snippets. So I'll show you how to edit them in your products first. So you can edit them one by one, but much easier way is to edit them in bulk. So you select all of those products here in the top tick box, click Edit Products. And then you deselect all of those values that you don't need to edit just to have it cleaner display. And in order to edit Google Snippets, you just scroll down to SEO section, click page title and meta description. And here you added all of those necessary values. So this is obviously your product title. This would be added in the meta title, so the top title in a Google snippet, and this is a meta description, which is obviously the those 2 or 3 lines in Google snippets that are displayed in a search result. So this is the easiest way to edit the Google snippets. You do it the same way with pages and with blog posts because you can edit those values in bulk as well. I hope you found it useful, and obviously if you've got any questions, please let me know.